In this video, I'd like to talk about how you can customize and personalize your online seminary classroom. What you're looking at here, this is the generic homepage that you will receive once you have your Canvas class. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you through in this video how you can make some changes to this page weekly as the landing page for your students to come each week as they come to seminary. So I want to show you how to take it from this to something that kind of looks like this. So what do I have here? First, I have a seminary update that I make a video of me as the teacher for my class. I then provide a video, a song, a hymn, a thought, a meme that I thought was fitting for the week of study that we're going to be studying. Again, in the Canvas classes, it's harder to edit the individual lessons and to change the lessons very much. And so at times you can feel a little strapped as a teacher as to what you can do to teach in the online setting. So one thing that I like to do is provide a thought or a meme or a song. In this case, it's an inspirational message from the church related directly to our scripture block this week. Then down here I have a happy birthday to Jennifer, whose birthday is this coming Thursday, and then I have the schedule for this week. So on Monday, students are going to do the online seminary lesson in Canvas on Monday. Tuesday, we have our Zoom class on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And so I just have some things that I update each week to make it new, to make it fresh for each class. So let's go ahead and figure out how to do something similar to this. And it's really fairly easy with a little bit of practice. So what you'll do is you'll come here, you'll go to this page right here that says Edit. And this brings you to this rich text editor that we have right here. And I'm going to expand this here so we can see everything. Once you delete this stuff, you can't get it back. If you want to save this, here is how you save it. This might seem a little advanced, but this is how you can save it. You click on this little button right here, and this shows us what's called the HTML. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it into a notepad or a Word document so I just have that text, and then I can paste it back in if I need to. But for now I'm going to be a little brave, and I'm going to delete. I'm going to just highlight that stuff, and I'm going to hit delete. And so I'm going to now build what we see here in this course. So I've entered in the name of the class. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and then I'm going to use these preset settings to make it look kind of uniform and nice, to match the site and not get too crazy with colors or fonts. I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and enter all of the text that you see here, and then we'll go to that point. So I have typed in all of the text that is on this page right here. So to add the video, that is probably the one that takes the most patience and a little bit of practice with. But I'm going to go ahead and I want to put the video right below this, and I'm going to go ahead and click right here, and then it says upload and record media. I'm going to go ahead and tap on record here, and what it will do, it will access your webcam, and you will appear on the screen like you see here. Now, before I recorded this, I knew what the lessons were. I knew what things I wanted to highlight for this week, and just to be able to give a basic update. So to record this, what you do is you click on Start Recording. It counts down for you, and then you talk for however long. I would try to keep it under 2 minutes because it takes a while for the videos to upload. I'm going to go ahead and pretend I'm done right here. I'm going to hit Finish, and then I'm going to hit Save here. Now, if you do a long video, even at 2 minutes, it might take, depending on your upload speed of your internet, it might take several minutes to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave that like that. Once I hit save, I'm not going to leave this page. Don't leave this page till you can see that's changed. So let's go through this other stuff. This week we are studying Helaman. And I know in this case, okay, you can see that it's uploaded now. This is a smaller video. So once it's finished, it will look ready to play. So I added that inspirational message from the church YouTube channel. Now, how did I do that? So I've opened up here, I have the YouTube channel that has that video from the church, and then I also have opened up to the church media library of this video. This is going to be probably the most, a little in-depth part. It seems a little technical, but with a little practice you'll do it. So I'm going to go from the church media library for this example. I'm going to hit share right here. And then you'll notice there's a direct link and embed code. Now you are going to use the embed code. So you're going to highlight that, and I'm going to copy that. So that's copied. Now I'm going to come back to my page here, and I know I want to put the video in about right there. And I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on that HTML button again. And then I have to kind of read through this here. And right here is where I want that video. So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to hit Control V or paste. And I have pasted some of that code that I'd copied over from here onto here. Now, it doesn't look like I've done much, but what I've done is if I click on this button, you'll see that it has added that video right there. And so I'm going to go ahead and, oops, I just deleted it. And so I just hit Control Z. I didn't mean to do that. That happened. So I'm going to just hit delete right there. And then Jennifer's, however you want to do that font for her, I'm going to go ahead and select this heading, heading 3. This heading I'm going to do heading 2. And then down here I have my schedule. And I like to do a schedule each week so they know which week they're supposed to do it. And they kind of have that landing page. And so the only thing that I did to make it a little bit more user-friendly was I added these bullets here. And again, I highlighted what I wanted to bullet, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the bullets. And then to see if what I've created works, I come down here and I hit Save. And I have something similar to what I've created here. In this one, I use the embed code from YouTube, and in this one, I used the embed code from the Church Media Library. And some of your households for your students might filter out YouTube, and so using the Church Media Library would be a great option there. Go ahead and start small with adding your own video, and then you could branch out to adding embed code from the Church Media Library. And again, you could play with different ideas from week to week as things that you would put into your course homepage. Getting ready for general conference, getting ready for holidays, getting ready for spring break, getting ready for school breaks, anything important that might make it fun or inviting each time the students come to, you can do here on the course homepage.